So we are going to start with a $10 account. So in this $10 account is a giveaway. We are going to trade an account for this guy, and then let's see how much we can get from this one.
Once again, I bring to you Fastbull. Trade smarter with Fastbull's copy trading. Join Fastbull and effortlessly copy successful traders. Choose from a diverse selection of experts, monitor real-time performance, and engage with a vibrant trading community. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, Fastbull empowers you to make informed investment decisions with ease. Start trading smarter today. You can join PS, TN, James David, and many more variety of traders from where you can actually copy.
So first open the Volatility 10 1 second. So in the Volatility 10 1 second, we have to draw the trend lines. The first one is the resistance line that is crossing through a line where it was broken to the upside. And then we have also put the support line. This is the trailing support. So these lines were respected for quite a number of times. And then let's view the market in the 1 hour time frame. So in the 1 hour time frame, we've identified a pattern that was respected also. So this is more like a rising wedge, but then this rising wedge was inside that trend line, that big trend line where I've drawn. And then at this point we can see that the market was actually in a downtrend before it made that rising wedge. So this downtrend was broken to the upside, as you can see. So after it was broken to the upside, the market did a little bit of a retest, and then the market started going up again. So after the market started going up, it means that the market is going to go up for quite a long time, because it is actually retested. This was a successful retest because the market bounced back on that resistance line. And then now we identify the major areas of confluence where I'm putting the shadow zones. So at these areas, the market is going to face a little bit of a challenge before it passes through or even bounce back. So now that we've identified the direction of the market, let's execute the market and see if we can take a little bit of profit from this one. So currently we're in $36 profit. This is Volatility 10 1 second. Let's see if we can add more positions. So it's not that volatile, so let's add more positions and see if we can get more from it. Now we've ended with 3 lots, 3 50-cent lots. So this is the minimum lot that is acceptable on this Volatility 10 1 second. After some time, we are in a little bit of profit. So this is a small account. We don't have to put lots and lots of position, but we just have to apply the risk management skills. And if you don't know how to apply those risk management skills, I will explain those in my mentorship group. So kindly join the mentorship group so that you can learn how to apply these management skills, these risk management skills. So after some time, we can see we've closed the market and it wasn't really that good. And let's see if we can collect something from Volatility 10. So this is different from Volatility 10 1 second, but then we are going to see if we can collect some profit. So the first thing that we have to do is to put the shadow zones on areas of confluence and then draw the trend lines that were respected for a long time. Please note that we always have to apply these on a longer time frame so that they can work. You don't have to analyze the market in a 15 minutes time frame or the 5 minutes time frame, because there are a lot of fake breakouts and a lot of noise in those little time frames. And then now that we've identified sort of a double bottom, the market pushes up So after the market pushes up, it means that the market is going to buy for some time until it reaches that neckline where I've put another shadow zone. And then let's see if we can maximize this. And then after some time we execute the market. This was a problem of network, but then it is fixed now. So after executing the market, we just have to wait for it and see if we can collect some profit here. Then after some time with our $11 account, we are in profit. So this is the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, the market bought for a very, very long time. So this is basically the simple price action strategies that I will be teaching in my mentorship group. So you'd want to join those mentorship groups so that you can actually learn how to make your predictions on your own. And then after some time, we can actually put the stock take profit. So this take profit, we usually put it at the next area of confluence. And then after some time, that take profit was hit. As you can see now, our account is in $16 and the market is still going up. So the take profit was hit. So it means it closed something like $3 or so. So this is it. You can actually close the market because this is a huge win, a very huge one, because the market is actually in our favor. But after some time we closed $266. This is a lot. So after some time we withdraw that. As you can see, there was a withdrawal, and then now our account is $97 after that withdrawal. And then we visit crash 600. So this is a new chart. I was excited to see that Deriv introduced a new chart. So if you don't have an account, please kindly join Deriv. It offers a wide variety of charts, including the crash, other synthetic indices, and commodities, and even metals. So just find the link in the description box below so that you can create your own Deriv account and even get a chance to get a giveaway. So at this point, as you can see, I've sold. This isn't because I'm expecting a spike, but it's actually because I've made analysis on a longer time frame. So it is very advisable for you to make your analysis on a long time frame because there is much accuracy in the longer time frame. So let's see in the longer time frame what I analyzed. As you can see, this was kind of a rising wedge, or a pennant rather. So as you can see, a rising wedge usually breaks to the downside. So we just waiting for that breakout. And since this is crash, it means the market is going to crash a little bit for a fake breakout or an actual breakout. Either way, it is just going to sell for some time. This is the information that you need to execute the market. So let's see if we can collect something from this one. So in terms of stop loss for those who might want to put a stop loss, you can put it at that shadow zone that I've drawn earlier. And then in terms of take profit, you can put it at that shadow zone where I just put. And then after some time, I wasn't able to record where I've closed, but then sorry, I lost the footage, and then we are in $130 profit, but still the market is still going. So I'm just going to show you when I actually take that profit because I wasn't able to record when I closed that market. So we are in 130. Apologies on that. let's execute the market again and see if we can collect much profit. And then now we have executed the market. We have actually sold with a $2 lot. So this is it. We wait for some time and then see if we can collect the market a lot of profit. And then in terms of take profit, we always put it at the next confluence area. So at this point, it is at that shadow zone. We have put that shadow zone earlier. So at this point, it means that the market is going to face a little bit of a challenge to break because it's a very strong area. And then now after some time, we're in $37 profit. The market spiked. So this is a lot. This is actually a lot because our account is only $97. And then we have to wait for it to spike again so that we can collect a lot of profit. Like right now is in $70. So the market spiked very well and we are in 200. Our account is in 200. This is a lot. We can actually close the market and then look for other trade elsewhere. But then this is a giveaway account, so this is how much I was able to raise it to. And yeah, this is it. I can actually close and then yeah, it's a win. I mean, from $10 to 200, it's a lot. After all, there was a withdrawal, so it's more than 200. It's actually 300 or so. This is a giveaway account, so if you want to get a giveaway, kindly just hit the link in the description box and create your own Exness and Deriv account so that you can get a giveaway. So this is it. I'm actually going to close and just leave the market. So the next area of confluence is where I have put that shadow zone, but then it doesn't matter because I'm just going to close and leave the market. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out when there's any important update. See you in the next video.